Hello my friends, welcome back. Thanks for watching my videos again. And if you're new to this channel, welcome you as well. My name is Abbas. In this channel, I'm sharing part of my life with you. So if you want to know more about me, check this video here. As I mentioned in the last video, I'm traveling to Europe pretty soon. As a matter of fact, I have less than 24 hours to pack my bag and catch my plane. So I'm going to show you what I'm packing and what I'm taking with me to Europe. But before that, I have bad news and good news for you. Bad news is that I'm not going to Paris anymore. Actually, I'll go, but I'm not visiting Paris anymore. I have only my flights from Paris now. The reason for that is there is a bedbug outbreak happening in Paris, or probably the whole of France now. Apparently, bedbugs are everywhere now, in movie theaters, metro, subways, and on trains, almost everywhere. The good news is, instead of that, we are going to have a road trip somewhere in the Europe. I'm going to share more detail about it later in the next videos. But as promised, I'm going to share with you what I'm packing in Europe. So let's go. I have my main backpack here, as you can see, hopefully in this video. So instead of having a carry-on on the plane, I decided to take a backpack with myself. The reason for it is there are a lot of walking around in Europe every day when you are in the city, going from the airport to the hotel or walking around the cities, and carry-on is not your best friend there. So I decided to pack everything in this backpack. That's Osprey Aether 65. It's amazing backpack. I tell you, everything in this backpack is adjustable, and you cannot believe how fancy and how advanced is this backpack. I put the link of this backpack and every other gadget that I have in the description of this video, so you can check it out yourself. So let's do it. First of all, I have two clothing boxes here. So I put all my clothes here into these boxes. I take them with myself. So let's do that first. So after that, I put a few souvenirs for my friends, so I'm going to put them here, but I'm going to blur them, so that would be secret still. Alright, so souvenirs are in. Let's go and grab some tech boxes. So I have all my tech stuff in these 4 cases here. I'm going to pause this video and show you each individual gear by itself, and then I'll continue. I have my hygiene bag here. I have everything that I need for this trip. I put it here. So I just put it somewhere that I can access it really quickly. I put one of these big bags here, so later I'm going to put it on top of the backpack for easy access. What else? I have a Bluntly, very small tripod. I think it's about 40 centimeters, something like that. I put the description in the link as well. And also have a selfie stick, or also it's going to be act as a tripod extension. So in case I want to put the camera on top of it I can simply do that. So now I have a very good size tripod. So I put it inside. Alright. Lastly, I have my laptop with me. That's a 14-inch MacBook Pro. So I just simply put it here, so it's going to be safe. I think the backrest is ready to be zipped up. I'm checking here if I miss anything. Probably not. So I have a few more items, but I think the main compartment is fully booked. Alright, might have a situation. I have heard that some airlines won't allow big backpacks on the cabin. So because of that, I need to have a plan B. So in case if they don't let me to take this backpack myself in the cabin, I have to have a solution for it. So my solution would be having a duffel bag and also a sling bag. So how does that work? In any cases that they don't let me to take the backpack to the airplane, I just open up this duffel bag. That's a 55-inch duffel bag. So it's very spacious, very large. So I put the whole backpack in this duffel bag and I'll check it in. So this way I don't check in the backpack itself. It's going to be completely damaged if I do that. So this way is going to help me. And if you check in your backpack, there are some items that you cannot check in with your backpack, including batteries, your laptop, camera. These are something that even you don't want to check in with your luggage. So because of that, I have a sling bag here, so I can put everything I want here with me. And also I'm using this sling bag on a daily basis when I'm walking around in the cities. So these are two items that I'm taking with myself. Also, I'm having a tricky camera with myself. That's a Nikon D5600 with the lens 18 to 300 millimeter. That's also one piece of gadget that I'm taking with myself. I'm going to put it in a soft clothing and I put it on top of my backpack. So if I need it, I can take it very. It's really easy access to it. And also, if I needed to check in my backpack, I just take it out from the top of the backpack and put it in the sling bag. So, and the last part is my half jacket. That's the Patagonia half jacket. I'll show you in another video how it works, but it's still foldable, very compact and very lightweight. And that's the last piece. Alright, the backpack is full. We have two other items left, which I'm going to put them on basically the top compartment of the backpack. So basically that's almost separated. It comes also, the backpack comes with a rain cover, so in case there's any rain you can use it. Hopefully I don't need to use it. There's the duffel bag. And the check. Okay. It's too big now. Okay, it comes here. And that's the whole backpack is full. The last time that I weighed it was about 15 kilograms or something around 33 pounds. The whole thing. There are a few more pieces that I'm going to leverage the hip belt that this backpack has. There are two, and one I'm going to put a small case which has a couple of cables that I might need on the plane. So I'm just taking out very easily. Also, I have my AirPods with me, so these two simply go here. And the other side is similar to that. I have another belt, so I put my passport, my credit card, a little bit of cash there. Also, that's for easy access. So that's all. My backpack is ready. My flight is in less than 24 hours. I will be at the airport pretty soon, and soon after I will be in Amsterdam, and I'm going to have an amazing time in Europe and with my friends. Till next time, see you around.